You've just received your Permly verification. This is more than a badge, it's a verifiable proof that you've been pre-checked for a Swedish work permit. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to add it to LinkedIn as a certification, how the secure link works, and how to place it on your CV so you can stand out to recruiters or companies. First, your certificate lives at a permanent URL. It always follows the same pattern: verification.permly.ai/verification/your verification ID. That long code at the end, the verification ID, is your unique credential ID. Think of it as your digital serial number. When someone visits this link, they land on your public certificate page. On your certificate, employers will see your name, the issue date, and valid until date. They'll see the issuing organization, Permly AB, and the verification ID again for traceability. They also see the earning criteria, for example, pre-checked for a work permit according to current migration agency criteria, and then the checklist: valid passport, education verified, work history provided, and complete personal details. Now let's add it to LinkedIn under Licenses and Certifications. Open LinkedIn and go to your profile. Scroll to Licenses and Certifications and click the plus button. Name: Permly Verification. Issuing organization: Permly. Let LinkedIn recognize the company. Uncheck this credential does not expire because yours has real validity dates. Add issue date and expiration date. Credential ID, your verification ID. Credential URL, must paste your full link, click Save. You'll now see a See Credential button on your profile. When a recruiter clicks it, they jump straight to your live certificate with your details, dates, and checklist. Add it to your CV under Certifications or Professional Credentials, exactly like this. Permly Verification. Work Permit Pre-Check. Permly AB. Issued. Add issue date. Expires. Add expiration date. Verification ID or the link. If you have a digital portfolio or personal website, add the same line with a clickable link. The goal is simple. Anywhere someone evaluates you, they can verify you. From an employer's perspective, the link answers 3 questions instantly. Who are you? Is the verification valid now? What's been checked? The public page shows your name, dates, the checklist, and the issuer. It's fast, transparent, and designed for compliance workflows. Keep your LinkedIn dates identical to your certificate dates. Always paste the full URL, including your unique ID. Important: if you renew your verification later, update the expiration date and the credential ID to the new ID. Troubleshooting: if your link doesn't open, make sure there's no extra spacing and that you pasted the entire URL. If details on your certificate look incomplete or outdated, contact admin at permly.ai and we'll help you fix it fast. That's it. Add the link, feature it, and put it on your CV. Thank you for listening, and the Permly team wishes you good luck.